Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for differentiation. Find the first derivative and the second derivative for each of the following. So kindly refers to A, we have y which is equals to ln, we have the bracket, we have exponent x over the x squared. My suggestion would be make use of the law of log, where we have ln bracket m over the n. Again, using the law of log, we have ln m minus ln n. So for this case, y is equals to ln exponent x minus ln x squared. Make use of the situation. So y is equals to x bracket ln e. Same goes to this part, 2 bracket and then ln x. So simplify the situation, y is equals to x minus 2 ln x. So dy dx. If we differentiate the x, we will have 1. If we differentiate the ln x, we will have negative 2 over the x. And then do remember, differentiate the x and we will have 1. So finally, dy dx is equals to 1 minus the 2 over the x. Next, focus on the second derivative. By referring to this part, so we have the dy dx, which is equals to 1 minus 2 over the x. If we differentiate for the second time, with respect to x, differentiate the 1, we will have 0. And then do remember, if we differentiate 1 over x, and we will have negative 1 over x squared. Same goes to this part, and we will have 2 over the x squared. Kindly refers to B. So here we have two products. One is x cubed, another one is ln bracket 3x plus 1. Make use of the product rule. So we have y prime is equals to, where we have v u prime plus u v prime. Let's say here we have the u and here we have the v. So the dy dx. Let's start with the v. So here we have ln bracket 3x plus 1. If we differentiate the x cubed, so automatically we will have 3x squared. Next, plus, we have the u, where we have x to the power of 3. If we differentiate the ln bracket 3x plus 1, and we will have 1 over 3x plus 1. Then do remember, differentiate the internal function. So here we will have the 3. So rewrite the situation. So the dy dx is equals to, we have 3x squared ln bracket 3x plus 1. And then plus, we have the 3x cubed over 3x plus 1. So that would be our first derivative. Next, we have to do the second derivative. So do remember, for the product rule, here we have the product rule. Next, for the quotient rule, we have v u prime minus u v prime over the v squared. So let's begin. So dy dx for the second derivative. So let's say here we have the u, and then here we have the v. So let's begin with the v. So ln bracket 3x plus 1. Differentiate the u, and we will have bracket 6x. Next, we have the plus. Copy the u, where we have 3x squared. Next, if we differentiate the situation, so here we will have the situation 1 over 3x plus 1. Do remember, differentiate the internal function and we will have the 3. So if we rewrite the situation for the second derivative, so here we will have 6x ln bracket 3x plus 1. Plus, we have the 9x squared over 3x plus 1. So that is the first part. Next, we have to focus on the second part, where we have this part. So let's say here we name it as a u, here we name it as a v. So making use of the quotient rule. So plus the situation where we have the v. So we have 3x plus 1. Multiply with the v u prime. So here we will have 9x squared minus, continue with the u, and then differentiate, then we'll have the 3 over the v squared, where we have 3x plus the 1 bracket square. Next, kindly expand the situation. So if we expand, we will have plus, then we have 27x to the power of 3, plus with the 9x square, then minus with the 9x cubed, over, we have 3x plus with the 1 bracket square. Rewrite the situation. We have the second derivative, where we have 6x, and then bracket ln 3x plus with the 1, and then plus we have 9x square over 3x plus with the 1. Then continue, we have 27 minus with the 9. So we will have 18. So plus with the 18x to the power of 3 plus with the 9x square over, we have the 3x plus with the 1 bracket square. So here we are, and thanks for watching.